Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get slim and long neck with three very simple exercises. These three exercises are very simple and just avoid this background noise. Actually the construction work is going on near my home, so there is like so much of noise pollution around me, so just ignore all this. And I'm going to show you how to do these simple neck exercises which will going to help you in reducing all the fat from your neck area, making your neck very slim and tall looking. Though I was personally not having a long neck, so I did these three exercises and these exercises are totally working, helped me a lot in getting slim neck. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. Firstly, here I'm tying my all hair back with a clutcher, and let's start our exercise. So for the first one, beauties, what you have to do, just stretch your neck like left upside and then just do it very carefully. Just stretch your neck and count to 30, like 1 2 3 4 5 and up to 30. Hold your neck and count to 30, then relax. Doing this will gonna give a little bit tension to your neck, but it will gonna reduce all the fat from around your neck, and it will gonna stretch your neck, and it will give you a longer look. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side, on the right side. Just stretch it, hold it and count to 30, then relax it slowly. Friends, you have to repeat this 3 times. 30 counts into 3 sets. 3 sets you have to do. Now in our second exercise, beauties, just look upwards, stretch your neck looking upwards, relax your shoulders, and beauties, you have to give support to your jawline. Just stretch it, just push it upwards very slowly, very gently, and you have to hold it like this and count to 30. 1 2 3 up to 30, and then just relax your neck and look downwards. Just relax it, look downwards, and then just do it again. For this exercise, beauties, you have to do 3 sets, 30 counts into 3 sets. Now just relax. Just take a deep breath and just relax, look downwards and give a relaxation to your neck. Last and our third exercise is shoulder shrugs. So beauties, what you have to do, just look upwards, stretch your neck and rotate your shoulders. Like count to 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it will gonna do, it will gonna remove all the fat around your neck and shoulder area, giving it a proper shape, a proper edgy and chisel look. So just rotate your shoulders 30 times. You have to do 30 times into 3 sets. So beauties, just go give it a try. If you want to get the slim, long and beautiful neck, then just go try these 3 exercises, and trust me, in just 30 minutes you will start seeing the change. In just 3 days, not actually in 3 days, in just 2 days you will start seeing the difference. You will start getting the pain, little bit of tension around your neck, and it means this exercise is really working on you. And beauties, one more thing, just do it very gently, very careful with this exercise. Just don't swap your neck, just don't give the tension to your neck. Just be gentle, very soft, and do it very carefully. So beauties, just go give it a try, and don't forget to comment in the comment section how it works for you. And if you have any recommendation, just comment it. Try this exercise and tell me, does it work for you or not. See you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, do follow me on Instagram, and love you so much beauties. Bye bye.